In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your x.com, also known as Twitter, profile URL link in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to share your profile with friends, add it to your bio, post it on another platform, or send it to someone directly. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, go to x.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the X homepage or dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Profile. This will open your public X profile page, where your posts, followers, and account details are displayed. Now, here's the important part. Look at the address bar at the very top of your browser window. This is where your profile URL is shown. Click once inside the address bar to highlight the full link. Then right-click and choose Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Once you've copied it, you now have your x.com profile link ready to paste wherever you need it. You can share it in messages, add it to emails, or use it on other social media platforms. If you want to make sure it copied correctly, you can paste it into a Notes app or text field and check that it starts with x.com and includes your username. And that's it. You've successfully found and copied your x.com or Twitter profile URL link. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this one.